Welcome to my channel. How to set up TP-Link Deco X60 AX5400 Mesh Wi-Fi 6. Step by step. Take all the Deco units, power adapters, and the Ethernet cable out of the box. 2. Download the Deco app. Get the TP-Link Deco app from the App Store or Google Play Store. 3. Create or log in to your TP-Link ID. Open the app and sign in, or create a TP-Link account if you don't have one. 4. Choose your Deco model. Select Deco X60 from the list and follow the on-screen instructions. 5. Connect the main Deco to your modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect one Deco unit to your modem, then plug it into power. 6. Wait for the LED light. When the LED turns pulsing blue, it's ready for setup. 7. Follow app instructions. The app will detect your Deco and ask you to set up your Wi-Fi name and password. 8. Place extra Deco units. Plug in your second and third Deco units in different rooms, ideally halfway between router and far corners. 9. Wait for light status. Each Deco should show solid green, connected, or solid white, working fine. 10. Test your Wi-Fi. Connect your phone or laptop to your new Wi-Fi network and run a quick speed test. You're all set. Thanks for watching.